This is race day at DKC, baby. They got a little different here, you know. It's the lights and it's the heavies. So since I'm over 200, I'm not gonna be racing anybody that's 150 pounds. Yeah, let's try to get some of this advantage working here, baby. On Jsing Race Everything. Talking about slicker than grease. I'm talking about it's like I can't call it drifting because I don't even have my foot on the gas when I'm drifting. That mud just be sliding. I'm talking about like the electric slide, baby, just slide.
All sweaty gills, wind in the ears. All sweaty gills, locking up the wheels. All sweaty gills, wind in the ears. All sweaty gills, locking up the wheels. All sweaty gills, wind in the ears. All sweaty gills, locking up the wheels. All sweaty gills, wind in the ears. All sweaty gills, locking up the wheels. In 4 seconds flat off the line doing 60. Keep your eyes open, one blank, you gon' miss me. Spoiler going through the turn, floating like a frisbee. Making no reverses, dizzy, feeling all slicker. So slicker with the style on the bike, body tucked tight, no wind resistance in resistance. Clear the mind, this is wide open, A to B like a locomotive. What I told you, Jsing Race Everything. Trigger finger throttle, something size of cold bottle with a remote control, tearing up the grass, burning up the road. Let you rub the gas with the load just to make it go. Energy pumping to the brain, staying in control. Stamina like stamina on the mountain bike. Just the wind in your ears, that's what it's like. Then a right, then a strong left, well from the seatbelt. Whatever can touch the pipe, it's gon' melt. All sweaty gills, wind in the ears. All sweaty gills, locking up the wheels. All sweaty gills, wind in the ears. All sweaty gills, locking up the wheels. All sweaty gills, wind in the ears. All sweaty gills, locking up the wheels. All sweaty gills, wind in the ears. All sweaty gills, locking up the wheels. This ain't got any throttle when it's in the race mode. Motor real loud when it crank and it's cold. Make the tires spin off any horse that it hold. Can't get through the corner like I'm falling off the limb. Keep the turbo spoiler from the high RPM. Add muscle like weights in the gym. This ain't for the kids, better get your mama them. 10 across the top, windshield like a low grill. Seat high, sit even with the four rims. That's in the foot from the ground up strut. All leather gut, mirror shined up. All sweaty gills, no fears to hold up to that. All sweaty gills, wind in the ears. All sweaty gills, locking up the wheels. All sweaty gills, wind in the ears. All sweaty gills, locking up the wheels. All sweaty gills, wind in the ears. All sweaty gills, locking up the wheels. All sweaty gills, wind in the ears. All sweaty gills, locking up the wheels.
was tough out there. Still wasn't able to get the qualifying time. It just wasn't my day today. Had a few accidents, a few incidents that kind of slowed my pace down. Had a few little slip and slide because the track slippery and everything, but No excuse, man. I ain't giving no excuse, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna get out here and keep performing better. I did improve my time by a little bit, maybe by a couple of ticks of a second. First time I got 87.9. This time I got 87.7. So, but I felt like I was faster in this car. But numbers don't lie. Numbers don't lie. So it is what it is. I'm ready to get back out here again at DKC, baby. Let's get it. I see you at the finish line.